What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video, and we have to go over Dogecoin now. So Dogecoin is actually inside of an uptrend now. We have broken out of this negative trend line that we are in, and now we are starting up the positive trend line that we're going on. And remember, anything can happen with crypto. Dogecoin can just trickle down this negative trend line again, but most likely we are going to continue to go up this positive trend line. So most likely we are going to continue to raise here in price. But remember, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. This is what we're seeing with our technicals here with Dogecoin. So we are definitely expecting to reach 40 cents by the end of this month, possibly even higher, possibly even $1 by next month. That's what we're projected to see. That's what Dogecoin is doing right now. But with all this out of the way, all the technicals, because we know the technicals don't really run Dogecoin. What really runs Dogecoin is our fundamentals and what people are talking about behind the scenes with Dogecoin. And one of the things that are still going behind the scenes with Dogecoin, people are still putting out hate. Every time I type in Dogecoin, you always see something come out about people hating on Dogecoin. Look, Dogecoin headed to $1 billion market cap, says crypto veteran investor. So this is crazy that people are still hating on Dogecoin. Let's see what they're talking about here. So Barry Silbert, the founder and CEO of Digital Currency Group, has predicted that meme cryptocurrency Dogecoin's market capitalization will fall to below $1 billion market cap. So he's a real bear in this situation. $1 billion market cap. That's sad that he really thinks Dogecoin is going to go that low. He then said, what happened? Silbert said on Twitter that Dogecoin's market cap is not worth its current market capitalization of $37 billion. Digital Currency Group is a venture capital company focused on the digital currency market, and its subsidiaries include Grayscale Investments and CoinDesk. What's your ideal market cap then, Barry Silbert? That's what they said. And then he said it's going back to about $1 billion. That's just sad that he thinks Dogecoin is going that low. Like, I don't think Dogecoin will go that low. People are just too bearish with this. I really don't believe Dogecoin will go that low. He then said, Silbert added that Dogecoin is the ultimate momentum gamble trade. He then said he believes that once this momentum is gone, the current holders of the altcoin will move to other coins and learn that there are many other better ways to make 10x returns. Nevertheless, the cryptocurrency investor added that Dogecoin will certainly not go away due to its passionate community, and he is truly excited to see what the meme coin can come over time. So I definitely think that Dogecoin is going to continue to rise. Even the community here, we have such a good community that I know that we will rise just based off purely the community alone. I mean these people, they don't really understand Dogecoin. I mean they don't understand crypto in general. They really think that this is all based off market cap. Like, when you look at the market cap of Dogecoin, you have to understand one thing. This 41 billion market cap is not only coming from US dollars. This $41 billion market cap is coming from India, because there's a big support of Dogecoin in India. It's coming from China. It's coming from everywhere. China did have some news about them trying to ban crypto, reiterating the ban on crypto. But remember, this is coming from a lot of different places. This is coming from a lot of different countries, not just America. So it's not only the US dollar that's flowing through Dogecoin. It's other currencies that's flowing through Dogecoin, which means that the market cap can get higher than what they perceive that it can get. So that's one thing they have to think about here. So yeah, looking at the 24-hour trading volume, 2.9 billion market cap. They want to talk about how we're going to go down to 1 billion in market cap when 2.9 billion was traded in the last 24 hours. It's physically impossible for that to happen. And we're up 44% for the 24-hour trading volume. That is really huge right there. Let's go ahead and check some more stuff here with Dogecoin. Dogecoin is one of those things where people think that it's going to go down just because of the meme aspect of it. It's the same thing with AMC, GameStop. People hate that type of stuff. People hate it because, one, they missed out, and two, they just don't understand it. So it's easy to hate on something like that. People are just too scared. The FUD, the fear, uncertainty, the doubt, that is what's driving people to say these crazy things about Dogecoin. So I don't believe Dogecoin will go below $1 billion market cap. And they say Dogecoin co-creator says 99.9% of crypto market is driven by the greater fool theory. So that's what they're saying. Shibatoshi Nakamoto said. He said, I agree with the greater fool theory driving most of crypto prices. but I'm honestly wondering what percent you think any crypto is purchased from utility versus greater fool theory. From my viewpoint, it's about 99.9% greater fool theory. So they're pretty much saying the greater fool theory, people are just buying because other people are buying, and that is the greater fool theory. I mean, it's whatever at this point. There's just so many bears inside of this market that they just believe is going to go down. And it's funny because even the whales believe in Dogecoin. I mean, if we have billionaires here that are all in on Dogecoin, then what is the scare about? Look at this. This is a lot of money in Dogecoin, $764 million one-time purchase. Like, look at what the whales are doing. I mean, I'm watching the whales. Like, I don't care about everything else. Look, I'm just watching the whales. When I see that the whales are buying and the whales are holding, I'm doing the same thing. And obviously there are some whales like that one that just do, day trades, swing trades, all those different trades. But then we have whales like this that have been buying since 2015 and that have not stopped buying any Dogecoins. So that is what we're seeing here. We have a lot of different whales that are, moving a lot of different money through Dogecoin. So we have this whale here. This whale here has just only bought Dogecoin, never sold it, just been buying Dogecoin since 2015. That's a lot of money they spent on Dogecoin, and that's a lot of money that they made off of Dogecoin from what they've done. And we still have more whales that are buying, and not selling any Dogecoin. This whale right here is another example of that. Buying, and not selling any Dogecoin. Obviously, we have whales that are selling and that are buying, but they're really buying a lot more than they're selling. As you can see, this whale has not sold since the 9th of actually last month. Now it's the 1st of June. So yeah, we have so many whales here that are, buying, and not, doing much other than that. But as you can see, this whale right here sold all their Doge. Look, they bought Doge at 32 cents, right? This is why you don't sell when you're down. So they bought Doge at 32 cents. And then they're like, okay, it went down to 29 cents today. Literally today. Look, 6-1. That's today. They sold today at 29 cents. But they bought on the 25th of last month at 32 cents. If they would have just held Dogecoin today and then it's panic sell on the dip, they would have kept their money. Like, yeah, we dropped all the way down to 29 cents today. But since people like panicked and they sold Dogecoin. So as you can see, this person panicked and they sold at 29 cents. But as you can see over there, they had $161 million. But since they panic sold, they have $143 million. They lost so much money off that panic sell. That's why you never panic sell inside of this. Do never panic sell, because you will always regret it. And then we have whales like this spent $1 million on Dogecoin and turned that $1 million into $109 million. So there's a lot of different people that are just getting huge money off of Dogecoin. I mean, these whales are profiting the most off of Dogecoin. And when people talk about the greater fool theory, what about these guys? Are they the greater fools? Are these whales the greater fools? They haven't, done anything that has made them lose inside of this. Look, they've just been buying Dogecoin, not selling. They've just been buying Dogecoin. So are they the greater fools here? But I don't, there's just a lot of people are talking about Dogecoin like it's about to go all the way down. I mean, at a $1 billion market cap, you have to think about that. That's not a lot of money right there. And I just don't know how they could think that Dogecoin would go that low. I don't believe it'll go that low. Like, if you take the circulating Doge right now and then you just multiply it by, any amount, it's just the $1 billion theory it's not possible. Like, I don't think it's possible for Doge to just go all the way down some $1 billion, like, out of nowhere. I mean, look at this. If you do this amount times, 0.0001, 129 million. So really, they think it'll probably get down to about 1 cent, because if you take, the circulating supply of Dogecoin and you multiply it by 1 cent, that would bring you to the $1.2 billion market cap. So they think essentially Dogecoin will get to below 1 cent, So that's kind of scary right there. They think that's what people are thinking. But just imagine if Dogecoin did drop all the way down to 1 cent, right? You could potentially take, say you took $1,000, right? And then you got Dogecoin here at 1 cent, you would have 100k Dogecoin. Meaning when Dogecoin hits $1, you would then have $100,000. So if Dogecoin hit 1 cent, that would be good. because then we would have an opportunity to buy more Dogecoin, because we know it's going to go up over time. We know that Elon Musk is literally sending it to the moon with a Dogecoin satellite. We know there's a lot going on with Dogecoin, so we know that Dogecoin has actual uses for it, So a lot of things are going on here. Let's go ahead and go over to Elon Musk's page so then we can see everything he is doing with Dogecoin. So we know he is sending out the Space One to the literal moon, where he's literally sending a Space One, a Doge One to the moon. First crypto in space, first Doge in space, first meme in space, and the whole mission is paid for in Dogecoin. So we know that's happening. We know Tesla is about to accept Dogecoin. So Dogecoin getting all the way down to 1 cent is not possible. I honestly believe we will reach $1 before we reach 1 cent with Dogecoin. That is my honest opinion. I do not believe Dogecoin will go anywhere below this. I mean, I've been seeing different people talking about how Dogecoin is going to drop for the longest time, and honestly, I do not believe it at all. Even let's go over here to Google Trends and see what we have here for Google Trends, because that will be the end all be all. It will tell us exactly what we are projected to do. So looking up Dogecoin on Google Trends, let's see what we have. Going over here to the past hour for Dogecoin. Dogecoin has been going down inside the trend, but we are still good with Dogecoin. I mean, we just need more people to be all in on Dogecoin. But yeah, remember, I'm not a financial advisor. It's not financial advice. It's just a little Dogecoin update showing what we are doing here with Dogecoin, showing that we are not going to go down to $1, because they are spreading FUD. They are spreading fear, uncertainty, and doubt about Dogecoin. So do not let these people make you scared to invest in Dogecoin. I've been seeing a lot of people selling out of Dogecoin just because of what people said. And like that one whale that we looked at that sold out at 29 cents and Dogecoin jumped back up to 32 cents. That's happening to a lot of people. It's not just the whales. So do not sell out like that, half diamond hands. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. But if you like this video, go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe, check out the link in the description for a free stock with Robinhood and Webull, and I'll be back with another video. Peace.